oggi il demonio si diverta ad opporsi a miei piacevoli progressi. Fanno mal tutti quanti.
For any baritone, Don Giovanni is up there in the top 5 roles that you want to play. He's one of the great anti-hero roles, not unlike Macbeth or Richard III. Personally, I think Mozart is the musical equivalent of Shakespeare. Obviously, his musical instincts are second to none, but his dramaturgical instincts are also brilliant. He was one of these composers that every last molecule of his work was driven by dramatic intention. So the music that he gives Don Giovanni and every other character perfectly portrays and conveys their particular emotion at that particular time.
A lot of preparation goes into a piece like Don Giovanni, and you form your own ideas when you're working at home with the score. But what was brilliant on the first day is actually just to hear the music with the singers and what each individual singer and his or her personality brings to the music and to the drama. And then you guys go over there, you guys go over there. The first part of the communal process is working musically, so away from the stage and away from the studio. Me playing the piano and the singer singing. We'll work on declamation of the text and finding different moods and different sounds and colours and so on. And it's important to do this, I think, before we come to staging it, so that we've laid the foundations for our musical approach in these coachings and these rehearsals.
It is text-led, it's drama-focused. We use a wide range of vocal colour, musical colour to respond appropriately to the musical texture and the dramatical texture of what's going on. It's an incredibly sort of rich, empirical process that we're engaging in with the music staff, and it's thrilling.
I think Mozart was on the top of his game when he was writing Don Giovanni, and the imagination of the sound world of the orchestra, it's music like no other. It's not a tragedy, but it has elements of tragedy running through it. There have been performances of this work which stop after the death of Don Giovanni when he gets dragged down to hell, but it's not right to do that. It's important to realise that there is life after Don Giovanni, even though it might not be quite as exciting.